This is Vishal Ahmed, and we have a video today about cybersecurity in 2025 and today's era. Everyone knows cybersecurity is like a jungle, and if you don't have a proper map, you are lost. But don't worry, this video is your map, and if you're wondering about where do I start, what actually matters, and how do I not overwhelmed. This is step-by-step approach, and if you follow this, I guarantee you and I assure you that you will find yourself in a better place after watching this video. You will have a proper roadmap. So let's start. First of all, you need to have a strong IT foundation. What does it mean? It means that you need to understand how computer and internet actually works. What is an operating system? How does data packets move from one device to another? How does network works? Right? So what are protocols, what are ports, what is firewall? These are all the stuff you need to know. And beside these, you need to know about the threats, vulnerabilities, attacks, and especially the CIA triad: confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And I would like to give you a good tip: use a certification syllabus like CompTIA Security Plus. You should learn about those steps. Just follow the roadmap. Next, you need to learn about the Python. It's simple, it's user friendly, and everyone. It's like a natural language, I would say. And why you learn this? Because it's user friendly. It helps you automate tasks. And third, you will write simple tools and even build your own exploits down the line. And now everyone knows this is the era of AI. So with one prompt you can generate your whole script, your whole exploit, I would say. Okay, these are the small steps. And in Python you should learn about variables, loops, function, scripting, scans, and automations. Okay, let's move to step 3. And step 3, you should understand computer networks. Cybersecurity is like protecting the systems on networks. You should learn about the OSI model, the TCP/IP protocol, what actually happens when you type a URL like google.com, what happens behind the scene, right? And next, you should know about how ARP works, how packets travel from one source to the other, and how traffic flows. Let's can wait for some minute and we can start again. Welcome back guys. And how ARP works, what packets are, and how traffic flows. Pro tip: you should visualize this stuff, build models, draw diagrams, use Wireshark to see traffic in action. We will use Wireshark later on, but this is the roadmap you need to follow. And step 4, here are some tools, the most important tools in this field of cybersecurity. And you should learn those tools once you have done with the theory and Python basics. Now after all of them, you should learn how to use those 4 tools. One is Wireshark, which analyze the traffic in the network. And the second one is the Nmap, used for reconnaissance and discovery of hosts and scan networks. And the third one is burp suite, which is used in the pen testing of web apps vulnerabilities as well. And the fourth one is the Metasploit. It is used to exploit known vulnerabilities safely in labs. So don't just read about tools, use them. There are tons of beginner friendly tutorials on YouTube. You should learn from them. You should learn these tools. You can learn these tools from books as well, but YouTube is a good source, I would suggest. Now step number 4, we have done. In 5, pick your path and build your own portfolio. You guys know portfolio is the only thing which can help you to land your cybersecurity job. Everyone knows cybersecurity is a diverse field, but you should be focused on specific specialty. Pen testing, is a good. Everyone knows SOC Analyst is also good. Every field has its own demand, and now there's a boom of cloud security, and I would recommend you to go for the cloud security because it has its future. Pick what excites you, then go deep into it, learn about it, explore it more and more, deep and deep. And don't just learn, document everything in your GitHub repositories, write blogs about it, and share your journey on LinkedIn and post your labs, tools on GitHub and build a public portfolio. That's it. And remember, skills get you noticed and proof gets you hired. That's it, and see you in the next video. Thank you.